Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and I have a what I ate video for you today, vegan style. I last minute decided to make this on the way to work, so nothing was pre-planned, and yeah, so it's just a regular normal day. And what I didn't show is I've been starting my day with lemon water in the morning. Just some hot water, a slice of lemon squeezed in, and I'll take it downstairs for my meditation time. And it's just a nice way to start off my morning. So I didn't show that. I'll show you everything else.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
All right, I got to work. I'm on my second cup of coffee. I had one on the drive in, and it's just black coffee because someone at work's been stealing my vegan creamer. Just saying. And then kind of a random breakfast, an apple and about a tablespoon of peanut butter that I'll eat together. And then I was feeling like a little date this morning. So here is my breakfast. It's 10:15. I have to run across town for a work meeting, which was supposed to be at 2, but I got moved to 11, which is dangerous because I'm gonna be coming back to work during the lunch time hour, and I know that I'm gonna wanna stop and get like Chipotle or McDonald's. I'm a sucker. So I'm gonna try to stay strong, and I think I'm gonna stop at Starbucks on my way back to reward myself and get just a coffee with some coconut milk to hopefully hold me over till I get back to my office for lunch.
Hi, we're going to Starbucks. We're going to get that for you today.
Hi, can I get a decaf grande latte with coconut milk?
Definitely. Anything else I can also get for you today?
That will do it.
All right, so that'll bring you to 457 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see what time it is. I don't know. It's 12:30 and I'm starving, so I'm at Starbucks as planned. I was just gonna get a coffee with coconut milk. Uh-oh, where's my wallet? Oh. Whew. But I got a latte instead to get some more, I don't know, some more calories, and then yeah, I'll just sip that on my way back to work, and I have lunch at work. Hi.
457 is a total.
Thanks.
Thank you. Would you also like your receipt?
No, thank you. Thank you very much. You too.
Thank you.
All right, we got the latte. It is gross outside, you guys. Let's see, I'm gonna park quick because I don't believe in YouTubing while driving. I'm safe like that. It is gross out. We got we got icy snow last night, so the roads are pretty bad, and it's just gross and gray out. So I'm gonna sip this and drive safely back to the office, and I guess I'll just have a late lunch at my desk. We'll see you later. Okay, lunchtime. I don't know why I look so crappy today. I just have a simple salad, spinach, onion, and lemon vinaigrette, and then this is really random. I told you it wasn't gonna be fancy today. It is good. It doesn't look good. This is just lentils, crushed tomatoes, peppers, hot sauce. I don't know. It's good. And then I got some LaCroix water. Hey guys, this lighting is pretty bad, but that was not enough lunch. I was starving. And so this is a weird night. My husband took my son to Mall of America. They do that like once a month. It's kind of their bro time. They go on rides. There's an indoor amusement park there, if you didn't know. So I have the night to myself, and I was starving from the lack of a big enough lunch. So I went to Chipotle and I went for it. I usually just get a bowl, but I was hungry. So I got a veggie burrito, black beans, brown rice, hot salsa, peppers, lettuce, and guacamole. So I am gonna eat that up and just relax. I love a good night to myself. If you enjoy these types of videos, I'd love for you to let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love to have you part of my little YouTube family. See you next time. Bye, guys.
Ooh.